Hi friends! So here is a very quick tutorial on how you can create this to-do list with the bows up here instead of the headers. So on the create page, first select your planner size, for example the pocket size, and then go to layout and then choose the 2-column layout, the one with the equal 2 columns here, and then apply the left to the right page, okay, and then click on it, or click on a box and then go to to-do and then choose the to-do list and also increase or decrease the number of rows, and then also maybe change the icon and then make them black like this, and then go to styling and choose the original style like this. Now we don't want to have this header up here, so select the widget again, and up here on the settings you see show header and hide the header. So click on hide like this, and also change the color to the black color under outline, and then copy this widget and place it and then copy paste it anywhere else like this. And then now we have to select the sticker mode, so click on sticker and then go down to bows, and if you scroll all the way down here you will see the bows or the ribbons that have like a black, kind of like a black border right here, this one here. So click on it. So when you select the sticker mode you can move the graphics anywhere you want, so let's resize it to be as wide as the column like this, and then add another one and do the same, move it down here, and then the same for this page. So select the right page, then apply a sticker or a graphic like this, and the same for down here, and you are done. So what you can do as well is you can also change the colors. So if you don't like the black, just select the sticker or the graphic and then go to custom, and then here you can change the colors. For example, you can make it red, or you can make it blue or purple, and that is it. So you can also create one that looks like this, or you can create any planner layout and just apply or place the bows and ribbons on top of it anywhere you want. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Instagram or Facebook anytime, and I will try to respond to your questions as quickly as I can. Bye!